Faves, it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, as you can tell by the title, today's video is my list of 8 things from Amazon that you didn't know you needed. As if we need another one of these videos, but these are my favorite types of videos to watch. And don't you just love a video that convinces you to spend money on things that you don't really need? But yeah, guys, I love these types of videos. I watch them all the time. And honestly, all of the things that I'm going to be showing you in this video is because I saw another Amazon favorites or another Amazon video and I was like, yeah, I need that. So add to cart. So I'm just trying to put you guys on, share the wealth. You feel me? Because you guys are my friends and I want to let y'all know what's going on. Okay, so if you want to see my list of 8 things from Amazon that you didn't know you needed, but you really do need, then keep watching. Alright guys, so first up on the list we have this silicone phone case. This is by the brand KW Mobile, as it says here on the pack. I love that these come in these little cute little like sandwich bags. I think that they're so cute. Alright, so this is a phone case, guys. This is what it looks like. And I mean, realistically, it's like, okay, do we need another phone case? And you probably don't. But I love these types of phone cases. Like, these are my favorite. I just actually took my old one off of my phone because it was cracking. But yeah, these are my absolute favorite. So I love how they feel. It's like super buttery, soft, suede, something. I don't know, but these feel so good. I drop my phone a lot. Okay, I feel like that's just a thing that a lot of us do. You wouldn't think that this little phone case would protect my phone as good as it does, but the good thing about these particular cases is that this little thing here that goes around the front wraps around the front of the phone. So if you ever drop your phone, it will never actually land like flat on the ground or on the floor. So your screen actually never touches the floor. This little thing like protects it, and it's like shock absorbent. This might look light, but it's heavy though, because it is very durable. I want my phone to be protected if I drop my phone. So, and this does the job. And I got it in nude because I think it's like just so chic, you know. I hope it doesn't get dirty. The color that I had before was like a turquoise kind of teal color because I really like blues as well. But I was like, yeah, let me go for something chic. Let me be chic, you know. I'm having a nude moment, like, yeah, I'm here for this. This is a vibe. But yeah, if nude is like a snooze fest and it's too like boring for you, they have plenty of colors for you to choose from. And I like to have these types of cases for every day. Now I do have a Lumi case, which I like to take out for like nights out, if I'm going somewhere at nighttime, or if for selfies or something like that. But this is a hard case, and sometimes when this falls, it makes me nervous. Like, I hold my breath because I feel like the impact will somehow damage my phone. But I don't have that issue with these types of cases because it is rubbery or it's silicone. It's shock absorbent. So yeah, and then I like that it's not super bulky. It's really lightweight and it feels really smooth. Yeah, and another good thing about this is because it's like that silicone material, when you have like those rubbery cases, you can kind of like prop it up and it doesn't like slide around everywhere. Like when I use this Lumi case, or if the phone doesn't have a case on it, and may prop it up like against a water bottle or like the countertop or something like that, and it'll just keep falling and falling and falling. So I like to have the silicone cases as well for that. If you're like me, that comes in handy. So next up are these guys, which as you can see, it's basically like a surge protector, but this is lit because it has 6 outlets, and it has 2 USB ports. So if you have this, you and Bae don't have to fight over who's going to charge their phone first, who's going to charge their phone closest to the bed, because both of you can charge your phone at the same time. Love that. It also lights up, and I'm a scaredy cat. Like, I'm afraid of the dark. So it's nice to have this where at nighttime this lights up and illuminates. So if you're like me and you're a little afraid of the dark, you know, I sleep with the TV on. I'm one of those. You have this light here to help protect you from the monsters under your bed. Alright, so the next thing is this tablet stand. I actually record all of my videos on my iPad. I don't use a camera. So this is super convenient because I can prop this on here while I'm editing, as opposed to like holding it in my hand or when it's laying on a flat surface. Sometimes it can get uncomfortable because I'm just like this the whole time, you know what I mean? Like looking down the entire time. So I love this. Also, when you're FaceTiming, this is also like super handy to have. And like I stick my phone on here sometimes too, because I have this like silicone case. It's not going to slide off, so I can just stick my phone on here when I'm FaceTiming and I need to be hands-free. So it definitely comes in handy. You can do your Zoom calls, you can do your FaceTimes, and whatever else you're doing on your iPad or your tablet. And this rotates, like it's adjustable. You have the option to sit your tablet in horizontal, or you can sit it in vertical. This comes in another color. I think it comes in black too, and maybe rose gold. I may have made that up, but I definitely know that it comes in black. But I opted for this silver just because I feel like it goes, I don't know, it looked more officey to me, although the black is chic. But yeah, I like the chrome. So I was one of those people, I didn't realize how much I needed this until I got it. But like I use this all the time, and it makes the world of difference. This is money well spent. Next up, I have these batteries here. I don't have the full pack because I've been using them, but I don't know what's in these batteries. These are a part of the Amazon Basics range. I went with these because they were a little bit cheaper than like Duracell or Energizer or whatever, and they got really good reviews. So I was like, okay, whatever, I can just give them a try. Batteries are batteries are batteries. They all do the same thing. Some of them just last longer than others, right? I don't know what's in these batteries. I don't know what kind of lithium, titanium, whatever is in. I don't know what's in these batteries, but they last so long. The main reason why I got these is because I use an electrical toothbrush, but it doesn't plug in. It's battery operated. And these batteries have lasted the longest than any other batteries that I've ever used in my toothbrush. I mean, I get like the Duracell Extra last super long, the Energizer, you know, super charged, extra power, like all this stuff. And these little Amazon Basic batteries have outlasted all of that fancy stuff. Like you get, I don't remember how many come in the pack because like I said, I've been using them. But yeah, I'm not buying any other batteries from anywhere else anymore, because like this is definitely, you're going to get your money's worth. And if you don't believe me, get you some and see how long they last. I'm telling you. So when Christmas comes around and you buying all them toys for your kids, Amazon Basics batteries. So these next two items, I grouped them together because you kind of can't use one without the other, and that is the gel polishes and the UV lamp. These gel polishes are by the brand Gelin, and I know that they use this brand in some of the nail salons that I've been to, so I was like, oh yeah, I can just get that brand. Lockdown has taught me that it's good to have this kind of stuff on hand if you want your nails to not be looking crazy when you can't get to the nail salon. And even if you want to like save some coins and do your manicures at home, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I actually enjoy doing my own nails, so I do like to have nail supplies on hand for when I want to do my nails at home. So yeah, I have some polishes here, and then I also have a top coat and base coat here, a matte top coat, a shiny top coat, and a base coat as well. And this UV lamp, this is so like compact and easy to use, and it gets the job done. It's not super like complicated because it literally has two settings, 30 seconds or 60 seconds, and you just hit the button and stick your hand under there, stick your feet under there, and that's it. So I got this tea tree oil foot and nail soap by the brand Purely Northwest, and I love this stuff. Like it can be a bit strong depending on how much you use, because girl, I be dumping in there because I need to make sure that I feel it and it's working and it's relaxing me and soothing me, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes it can be a little bit strong, but I know that's probably just like the tea tree oil and the lavender oil, you know, those aromas getting up in my nose. Yeah, so this is a blend of Epsom salt and sea salt, and it also has some essential oils: tea tree, eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, and lavender. So another reason why I really like this is just because I feel clean after I use this. Like I feel like it just really cleans my feet. Like I don't know how to explain it, but they just feel clean after I use this. And I do know that like tea tree oil is really good for any type of like infections or funguses, or it's just like a good cleaning agent. I know even people use it in their scalp and in their hair when they have trouble with their scalp and things. So it just, I feel like it just gets in there and cleans them really, really good. So that's another reason why I like this. This was like an Amazon like popular item, or I can't remember it, like top rated or something like that. The only thing is that it comes in this little teeny bag. Like this bag is 1 pound. And granted, you don't use it as much. You're only using a little bit to soak your feet, like as opposed to if you were soaking in a bath with Epsom salt. But I feel like they need a bigger bag. They may have a bigger bag. I don't know. But yeah, definitely would recommend this. As long as you don't mind the smell of tea tree, I would recommend this for sure. And another reason why I like doing my pedicures at home is because, you know, I've seen a lot of horror stories, like with people getting funguses, bacteria, people getting infections. When it comes to these nail salons, they're not the most sanitary all the time. So I don't really trust them all the way like I used to. Like I don't know. Like I'm very particular about where I go and get pedicures nowadays, because like they just be unsanitary and doing anything at the nail salon. Some of them, not all of them. But that's another reason why I like doing my pedicures at home. And so this also helps me to get like a spa experience because of like how it smells, and you can soak your feet and it's really nice, you know? Now, as a complimentary item to the foot soak, obviously you need something to soak your feet. So I got this foot basin. Now, it's not the most luxurious. They have some that are electric that you can plug in, that do the whole massage thing and all that. And maybe I'll upgrade at some point. I don't know. But I also still like this. I feel like it gets the job done. Because sometimes those like electric at home foot massaging things hurt my feet. Like they're a little too rough for me, you know? So that's why I just opted for this one, but I like it. I still feel like I said it gets the job done. It works good for me, and it's convenient to have just like this designated thing for you to soak your feet in when you don't want to get in the tub, or when you may not have time, or you just aren't taking a bath at that moment, but you still want to do like your pedicure, or just to soak your feet if they're tired or they're sore or something like that. So yeah. All right, and so the last thing that I want to show you, but I can't show you, is my panel light. I can't show you because I'm actually using it. So I got a new panel light to use when I'm recording, filming, taking pictures, all that good stuff. Like if you are a content creator, whether it be YouTube or Instagram, or even if you have like a business that you need to create content for, photography, a makeup artist, any of those types of things that you're just creating content for that you need lighting, this light is a really good light to have because it's super bright. It's super bright. I like that it has both the warm lighting option and the cool or LED lighting option. Yeah, this light I actually got from Carly Bible. She mentioned it in her filming setup, and I went and got it, and I was like, well, if Carly Bible's using it, then if Carly Bible has this panel light, then I need this panel light.
I saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
It comes in 2 sizes, so I got the smaller version. So maybe I may look into getting the bigger one, just because I like for the light to cover more surface area. And then along with the light, I also got this battery pack, so the light is battery operated, and I got 2 additional batteries that you just plug in and charge like you would do your camera, which that's pretty cool because you don't have to be near an outlet in order to actually like use the light. As long as you charge your batteries, you're good to go. So that wraps up my 8 things from Amazon that you didn't know you needed, but you do. So I definitely will, of course, leave everything linked in the description box below. So if you liked anything in this video and you were like, oh girl, no, I didn't know that I needed that, but I actually do need that, make sure that you check the description box for the direct links. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram, that'll be linked below as well. And until next time, babes.